everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to review the Vivelab Hair Brush Lash Serum and see if it really works or it's just hype. This serum is designed as an all-in-one solution, meaning it can be used on your scalp, brows, and lashes. The idea is to nourish and strengthen hair follicles with peptides, vitamins, and hydrating ingredients. A lot of people like this concept because instead of buying three different products, you can use just one for everything. When applied consistently, many users report subtle improvements, like lashes look slightly fuller, brows less patchy, and scalp feels a little bit healthier. The formula is also lightweight, so it doesn't feel sticky around the eyes or greasy on the hairline, which is a big plus. But here's the catch. The results are gradual. You will likely need weeks or even months of daily use before seeing noticeable differences, and some reviews say it felt too slow for the price point. If you're expecting dramatic lash extensions or instant brow regrowth, this won't give you that. That said, if your goal is gentle, natural supports that strengthens over time, it can be worth it. I would say it's better suited for people looking to maintain and enhance rather than fix severe thinning. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next